Hey everybody, it's Bruce Elgord here from Clark College, back with another new feature that's been added to code.dev, formerly cs50.io. So let's check it out here in Visual Studio Code. I'm running Visual Studio Code in the cloud, again, using code.dev. All right, so let's say I'm new to Python and I'm writing a simple loop, right? A counted loop for I in range, right, of 5, right? And let's say, because you know how it is when you're a new coder, right? You're not too sure about indentation, and, Visual Studio Code did give us that auto indent there, but let's just say you do something like this, right, where you're just printing the value of I, right? So check this out, right? Up here in the right-hand corner, there is this new label called style50. Style50, right? Some of you may know style50 from the CS50X course, right? So check this out. I'm going to click that, and look what happens here. A new tab opens. It's showing me what the proposed styling, right, for this Python code should have, right? And it allows me to apply the change up here on the right, okay? So I'm going to click that, apply change, and now my code looks great again, right? Now, some of you may have seen this, right, before using one of the auto formatters, right, for Python, such as black, right? But again, now you have this capability built right in to Visual Studio Code. In fact, let's just try one more thing here. We're living dangerously, right? So I totally remove the indent. Let me click on style50. Okay, actually, I may need to highlight the lines. I think I do. Let's try that. Okay, let's click on style50. It's not. Okay, we're learning here, right? So it's not able to resolve that, right? So let me put one space in here, right? Let's see what happens here. All right, now click style50. Aha. All right. So this is brand new. It's beta, so I'm told. And I just wanted to show you, all right? So I think this is going to help you out a lot as you learn how to code, especially in my courses, right? In my Python courses. So please use this new feature. Leave a comment on the video if you have any questions. And I hope you have a really good day. Take care.